Today I am going to tell you a beautiful golden tale, an amazing secret of X-Mix story so beautiful you won't be able to forget it. This is not an ordinary story. It's about love, courage, loss, hope, and a light that appears only in the hearts that still believe in miracles. So take a deep breath, slow down, and step with me into a place where magic still walks quietly in the snow. In the snowy little town of Winterdale, lived a girl named Ella. Her home was not rich, but her heart held a warmth that refused to fade. One chilly afternoon, while searching in the old storage room, Ella found something unusual, a broken golden lamp, handmade, delicate, glowing faintly with age. At the bottom of the lamp, someone had carved a tiny message. When you light something from the heart, it does not just brighten a room, it changes a life. Ella froze in wonder. Who wrote that? Why did this lamp feel different? But something in her whispered that this lamp held a story, a secret waiting to return. That year, Winterdale was dull. No lights, no wraith, no celebration. People were tired, worried, and struggling. X-Max's spirit felt lost. Ella's looked around her village and felt a pinch in her heart. If joy is not coming, she whispered, then maybe we can create it ourselves. She decided to bring X-Max back, not with money, but with handmade decorations crafted with love and lights. Just like the golden lamp taught her, Ella collected everything she could find: pine cones, dry twigs, old ribbons, cinnamon sticks, broken ornaments that people had thrown away. Which type of things I already gives you a beautiful pictures in this video. Her little living room slowly turned into a magical workshop of X-Max hope. She made pinecone stars, twig snowflakes, golden thread ornaments, cinnamon garlands that filled the house with warmth, tiny lanterns inspired by the old golden lamp. She decorated her window first, just one small display. But that was all it took. People walking by stopped. They stared at her creation. Simple but shining. For the first time in weeks, a smile appeared. The next morning, something unexpected happened. One neighbor knocked on Ella's door, then another and another. Ella's, can you teach us how you made those decorations? Can you show our children too? Your craft brought us hope. Let's decorate the town together. Ella's heart fluttered. Her little handmade lights sparkled afire across Winterdale. Families began crafting together. Windows glowed with lanterns. Trees sparkled with handmade stars. The smell of cinnamon floated in the air. The whole town looked alive again. People one girl believed in a golden message. Because a little girl believed arrived in a golden message. A hope. On Xmas evening, the townspeople gathered around the big old tree in the center square. Ella's placed the broken golden lamp beneath it, just as a symbol. But when the clock struck midnight, something magical happened. A soft breeze moved through the square, and the golden lamp flickered, then glowed. Warm, bright, alive. The entire crowd gasped. The lamp that had been silent for years shone like a star ribbon. Ella's mother whispered, "It's your heart? Ella, you lit this down, and the lamp just followed." Ella felt her eyes because she finally understood the message. Light does not come from the perfect things, it comes from the love freely given. And so the golden lamp became the heart of Winterdale. Not because of magic alone, but because of girls choose to believe in the power of simple handmade love. X-Mix is not about what we buy, it's about what we create, what we share, what we inspire. This X-Mix, may you find your own golden lamp, a moment, a craft, a kindness that brightens not just for your home but your world. Happy X-Mix, and may your heart shine golden tonight. May your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for being here for your amazing day. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Wishing you a very happy and